IAS, Sri S.A. Raman sir, IAS, Central Observer, Elur District, and all micro observers. Welcome to this second day training for micro observer. Sir, I request you, sir, please address our micro observer.
Namaskaram to all. I welcome all of you on behalf of the whole election team, my colleague, and parcel of this election process as we general observers are eyes and ears of election commission, and at the micro level you are the eyes and ears of election. But the person who can brief us, who can inform us that fairness, freeness, impartiality, objectivity is maintained or not. In most of the cases, the SOP, the guidelines are so rigorous that it is maintained by several checks and balances. Many of you have already worked in assembly or parliamentary elections, and every election has its own peculiarity, some set of guidelines which need to be
Yes, roles and responsibilities given to the micro observers to be followed on the day of polling. First, we have prepared a small performance presentation already during the first training itself. It was given to you. That is again refined and again it will be presented here. Along with that, we have also given a format to you. It will be, the same format will be used on the day of polling, that is on 13th May. So you can go through this format and converse with the various modalities, various procedures involved in polling day procedures. So in between, you can go by this PPT presentation, playing a very crucial role at the time of polling election process. So in order to support the observers, micro observers are all drafted here. Around 415 critical polling stations have been from the Central Armed Forces overseeing the maintenance of law and order in these polling stations. Additionally, the device both to these previously. Those who are new to the system for this during this election, they can also feel what. If you have any doubt, you can also ask us. Apart from this PPT presentation, you will be trained by digital master trainers. They will also brief about various nuances involved in the polling day. So next, you all know that you are the not blurring and all details available. So actually you will be posted not in your own competency as well as the working competency. Based on that, you have prepared your database. This is the randomization process. We have already done it.